Okay, that's good. Check your fitting again. That's what's supposed to be right there. I'm gonna try to pull the engine real quick. That feels about right. So let's put our valve cover back on. Make sure there's no dirt. Put your coil back in there. That's pretty much it, but it's actually different for every single engine. As again I said, for a stock it's 2 and 3, but if your engine is upgraded in any way, you might need to get the valve lash a little higher. But that's it, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.